Assalamu alaikum. I'm doing well, Jamil. Thank you for the kind introduction. I would not say that I consider myself still a student in supply chain. So I'm learning as I go. Sure, definitely. So first of all, a big welcome to all your audience. I see, mashallah, that you have a pretty almost you're touching 10K on your YouTube subscribers. So I wish you all the best to touch that milestone very soon. Hopefully, with this podcast, you are able to do that. Coming to my journey, I'm an engineer by academia, and then I did my MBA from Institute of Business Administration in Karachi, Pakistan. So originally from Pakistan, living now in Saudi Arabia, based completely out of Saudi Arabia, now Jeddah. Uh, my career started as a pure hardcore engineer in a software engineering house, but somehow one thing or the other led me into the world of supply chain, where I went to give an interview to Aventis, now known as Sanofi, for the position of instrumentation engineer. But the interviewers thought that I am more suited for the world of supply chain. They saw something in me, and here I am. And 23 years forward, now I'm running my own consultancy. So my career has been working. I started off as a planner in supply chain, learned the trades, moved up, and then went into logistics, customer service, warehousing, procurement. So I have done every vertical in supply chain I've handled, and I've handled the whole of supply chain as well for some really big names as supply chain head, fine for Coats PLC, for Sherwin-Williams in USA and Canada is pretty well known in the paints and chemicals. So for them, for Sandoz Pharma, then I worked in Oman. So I worked in Pakistan, Oman, and Saudi. So, and 5 years back, or 6 years back to be exact, I decided to say goodbye to the corporate life, to the 9 to 5, and I decided to delve into a 24/7 career. And ever since I've been doing my own thing. So Supply Chain Talks is a consultancy that I formed. In Supply Chain Talks, we work in the traditional consultancy, operational excellence consultancy, advisory roles. Then we have training and development. Then we work in headhunting and recruitment. That is where most of your audience would be interested in. That we look into supply chain roles for a lot of clients here in Saudi Arabia. Then we have digital transformation. Then we have robotics, automation as well as a fifth vertical. And six is something that we do as a tech startup known as Invex in sustainability. Again, around supply chain. So this is a very quick and short introduction.